Hello, Paul from Steering Wheel Restoration. Here we have a Land Rover Series 1 stroke Series 2 steering wheel. They made the Land Rover Series 1 and 2 from about 1948 through to 1961. As you can see, it's got a Bakelite rim and it's cracked and quite worn thin here. The boss is a little bit corroded here and there, and they're often a little bit bent here on the back of the boss there. See a bit of corrosion there. Spokes are a bit dull, and the centre cap isn't in bad condition, but got a bit of corrosion and a bit dented. People often knock them down and dent them, but they're relatively thin. But with this steering wheel, we're going to remove all the Bakelite rim, and then we're going to cast a new rim on it. We're going to strip the boss, and then we're going to recoat the boss and the rim to a high standard, and we're going to rectify sort of dents in the cap here, and we're also going to coat that black as well. But that's Land Rover Series 1 stroke 2 dating from 1948 through to 1961. We have a Land Rover Series 1 stroke Series 2 steering wheel, banjo steering wheel, wire spokes, and came in with cracks in the rim, bit of damage to the boss here where it had been hammered off a little bit, and a bit of corrosion around the spoke area, but nothing terrible. So we've stripped the boss completely, and we've recast the rim as a new rim, and we've recoated the whole steering wheel, as you can see, to a high standard there. You can see the mould reproduces all the finger grips and the profile of the shape of the steering wheel itself, the sort of cross section of it. But we've also done the centre cap for this particular steering wheel. It sits there, and that's Land Rover Series 1, Series 2, dates from I think 1948 through 1961.